How to download and install apps on your Toshiba Smart TV in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Turn on your Toshiba Smart TV. Grab your remote and make sure your TV is connected to the internet, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 2. Go to the home screen. Press the home button on your remote. This will bring up the main menu with all your apps and settings. Step 3. Open the App Store. Depending on your model, you might see Toshiba App Store, Google Play Store for Android TVS, or Amazon App Store for Fire TV editions. Just select the one that appears on your TV. Step 4. Search for your app. Use the remote to type the app name in the search bar. For example, Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, or any app you want. Step 5. Download and install. Select the app, then click download or install. Wait a few seconds. It'll automatically install on your TV. Step 6. Open the app. Once installed, you can find it on your home screen under Apps. Just select it, sign in, and start enjoying your favorite shows and movies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.